Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to write a blog post. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that can help you write high-quality content for your blog. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to use ChatGPT to write a blog post. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Now, let's jump straight to the video. The first step to using ChatGPT to write a blog post is to determine the topic and tone of your post. This will help you give ChatGPT an idea of what you want to write about and how you want it to sound. Once you have a clear idea of the topic and tone, you can move on to the next step. Once you have opened ChatGPT, you can input the topic and tone of your blog post. You can do this by typing a prompt such as "I want to write a blog post about the benefits of meditation" in a conversational tone. This will give ChatGPT an idea of what you want to write about and how you want it to sound. After you have input the topic and tone of your blog post, you can let ChatGPT generate content. ChatGPT will use its natural language processing abilities to create high-quality content for your blog post. You can input a few sentences or paragraph at a time, and ChatGPT will generate the rest of the content. Once ChatGPT has generated the content for your blog post, you will need to edit and refine it. This includes checking for grammar and spelling errors, making sure the tone is consistent, and refining the content to better fit your blog post. Remember to always determine the topic and tone and to be specific on what you like from tone up to its number of paragraphs or sentences, so it can generate the best possible blog post. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can use ChatGPT to write a blog post. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and thanks for watching.